What if you could turn a one-line idea into a full presentation in under 30 seconds? Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are looking at Copilot in Microsoft PowerPoint, specifically how it can build entire slide decks from a single prompt. Whether you're a student, a manager, or someone who just dreads making slides, this one's for you. Let's get into it. Copilot is Microsoft's AI assistant built right in Office 365. In PowerPoint, it can do a lot. But today, we are focusing on its most impressive trick, generating a full slide deck from a single text prompt. This feature requires a Microsoft 365 Copilot subscription, which comes with most business and education plans. So if you see the Copilot button in your ribbon, you're good to go. Set up a blank presentation. Let's start from scratch. Open PowerPoint and create a blank presentation. Once it's open, look at the ribbon at the top. You'll see the Copilot button on the right side of the Home tab. It has that little purple sparkle icon. Go ahead and click it. The Copilot panel slides open on the right. This is your AI Copilot for everything we're about to do. Enter the prompt. In the Copilot panel, you will see a text box at the bottom. Click inside it and type your prompt. We are going to use a detailed specific prompt because the more you give Copilot, the better it performs. Create a 7-slide presentation on digital marketing strategies for small businesses in 2024, including social media, email marketing, and SEO basics. And just like that, boom, it's done. Copilot has generated the full deck in seconds. Let's go through it. Look at the detailing, exactly what we asked for. Social media, email marketing, SEO, it's all there. Check out the visuals. No errors in the text. It's quite nice actually. Each slide has proper headings, bullet points, and a clear structure. This would normally take you 30-40 minutes or even more to put together. Copilot did in under 30 seconds. Speaker notes. Now, the first thing I want to show you, and this is often overlooked, is that Copilot also adds speaker notes to each slide. Imagine preparing for a 10-minute presentation and not having to write a single note yourself. So the prompt that I would be writing here is prepare speaker notes for each slide for a 10-minute presentation. And done. That's it. To view the speaker notes in presenter mode, you'll go up to the slideshow ribbon at the top, click on from beginning to start the slideshow, then hover down to the 3 dots at the bottom of the screen. Click on those 3 dots. You'll see an option that says show presenter view. Click that. And here you go. On the left, you have your slide, and on the right, you have all your speaker notes, fully written out. This is what you'd see on your laptop screen while presenting. Incredibly useful. Rewrite slide 6. Now, let's use Copilot to refine specific slides. Look at slide 6, the 90-day action plan. It seems really boring, right? Very flat. So let's go back to the Copilot panel and type a follow-up prompt. Rewrite the slide to sound more conversational and add a real-world example. And that's it. Copilot edited the slide for us, made it more professional, made it more conversational, and to the point. Fix the last slide. Now, have a look at the last slide. It's also not great. It looks quite messy, right? So let's fix that too. Back in the Copilot panel, while this slide is selected, you could write, this slide looks really messy. Make it more visually appealing. And hit enter. Now look at the slide. It has boxes. Everything is more sequential. Everything is more professional and beautiful. It's actually very pleasing to the eye. Add a new slide. You can also use Copilot to add a new slide. So now, here's something really powerful. You're not limited to editing existing slides. You can ask Copilot to add a brand new slide on any topic, and it'll insert it right where you want it. Let's add a slide on content marketing right after slide 6. Type this into the Copilot panel. And there we go. Look at that. A brand new slide drop right in. 4 practical steps, clear layout, even a pro tip at the bottom. Copilot build this from a single line. Change the overall theme. Before we wrap up, one more thing you can do. You can prompt Copilot to retheme the entire presentation in one go. So you could type, change the overall theme of this entire presentation deck. Make it more visually appealing. And there we go. You can see that Copilot chose a more bold, dark, and professional theme. Done. And that's it. From a blank slide to a structured, polished presentation in just a few minutes. No staring at a blank screen, no spending hours on layout. Copilot isn't here to replace your thinking. It's here to handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on the ideas that matter. Try it out. Start with a topic you need to present soon, give Copilot a detailed prompt, and see what it builds for you. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and drop in the comments what presentation you're going to build first. I'll see you in the next one.